Welcome to News Reading The Hindu. The Hindu, Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. Supreme Court to hear on July 10 pleas against Bihar road revision. Several opposition parties, NGOs, and activists moved top court challenging the legality of the exercise. They say cause of people in the poll-bound state face prospect of disenfranchisement. The Supreme Court on Monday agreed to hear urgently on July 10th a batch of petitions challenging the legality of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls being conducted by the Election Commission in poll-bound Bihar. Immediately stop roll revision, say India leaders, demanding a halt to the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in poll-bound Bihar. India bloc leaders on Monday said the Election Commission was in a confused situation. Governor fueled Bharat Mata row. He should diffuse it, says Binoy. The Hindu Bureau, Kerala Society will not accept Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar, who studied in a Rashtriya Swayamsevaka Sangh run school and became an ideological propagator of the organization. Communist Party of India State Secretary Binoy Vishwam has said India does not recognize Bharat Mata as a woman draped in saffron holding a flag and riding a lion. Only those who attend RSS shagas are familiar with the image. The RSS does not have the authority to impose its version of Bharat Mata. Attempts are being made to display that image not only inside Raj Bhavan but also in universities. Kerala will not accept it, he said. Panel seeks report on death of infant. Kozhikode. The Kerala State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has suo motu registered a case in connection with the death of a 2-month-old infant at the Kakor in Kozhikode on Sunday. The commission has sought a report from the district medical officer within 10 days. The infant had reportedly developed breathing problems after local anesthesia was administered ahead of a circumcision procedure at the cooperative clinic in Kakur. He did not respond to initial medical procedures and was immediately shifted to a private hospital in Kozhikode city but was declared broad dead. Headmistress, teacher, and driver, Sister Mary wears several hats. Sister Mary Bona Lawrence, a member of the Congregation of Franciscan Immaculate Sisters, donned several roles at Little Flower Lower Primary School at Vailar in Alappuzha. For Sister Mary Bona Lawrence, headmistress and teacher at Little Flower Lower Primary School at Vailar in Alappuzha, duty goes far beyond the classroom. When the need arises, she steps behind the wheel of the school van, ensuring students reach school safely and on time. The school, under the Diocese of Cochin of the Catholic Church, caters to children from economically modest backgrounds and operates with limited staff and resources. Fake post. Minister to file complaint. Minister for General Education, Vishwakuti on Monday said he would file a police complaint in connection with a social media post attributed to him. Mr. Chunguti said the post that contained his photo was fake. It claimed that students will be prevented from going outside school for religious rituals on Fridays. Legal action would be taken against it. Kerala University in administrative chaos after registrar row. Kerala University plunged into an unprecedented administrative crisis on Monday as the bitter power struggle between the syndicate and the vice chancellor led to the appointment of two registrars, creating chaos and confusion in the institution. A day after the syndicate reinstated Registrar K.S. Kumar, interim Vice Chancellor Sisa Thomas on Monday appointed Director Mini Dijo Kapan as registrar through a separate order, as she remained firm on her stance that the syndicate's decision was legally invalid. Nipah patient from Palakkad remains critical. 173 included on contact lists. Health Minister Vinod George addressing a review meeting in Palakkad on Monday. As the Palakkad native who was tested positive for Nipah is fighting for her life at the Government Medical College in Kozhikode, the government has intensified measures to prevent the spread of the disease around her native village. BJP faces another challenge or resignation of lone Dalit minister in Puducherry. Suresh Gopi questioned over Puram disruption. The Kerala police confirmed on Monday that crime branch investigators had questioned Union Minister Suresh Gopi as part of a government ordered inquiry into the alleged disruption of the Thrissur Puram in 2024. However, CB officials averred that the agency preferred to keep the time or place where they questioned Mr. Gopi confidential for now, given the politically sensitive nature of the investigation. Over 30 crore workers, farmers will join strike against government's policies, said trade unions. 30 crore workers, farmers will join strike against central government's policies, say trade unions. 30 crore to 40 crore workers and farmers will participate in the general strike on Wednesday, claimed leaders of 10 central trade unions here on Monday while addressing a joint press conference. The leaders said preparations for the strike were complete and workers had supported the 17-point charter of demands of the strike. The economic policies are resulting in more unemployment, rising prices of essential commodities, depression in wages, cuts in social sectors, spending in education, health, basic civics, amenities. All this leading to more inequalities and miseries for the poor, lower income group, and even middle classes. The government has abandoned the welfare state status of our country and is working in the interest of foreign and Indian corporates and it is so evident from its policies being pursued vigorously, the leader said.